Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Griffith in Anime Vanguards. First, to get Griffith, also called Falcon, you must survive the rare Eclipse event in Story mode. This event has a 1% chance of appearing between waves 1 and 10 on any map. During the eclipse, enemies will spawn randomly, so defeat them all while ensuring at least one of your units survives until the event concludes. Restarting Act 1, Easy Mode, between waves 1 and 10 can help trigger the eclipse more quickly. Once you have Griffith, the next step is evolving him into his powerful sacrifice form. You'll need the Awakened King's Egg, which is obtained by equipping Griffith with his Eye Sacrifice ability. Play stages until you've accumulated 200 sacrifices. This ability summons demons that consume units and enemies, counting towards your goal. After reaching 200 sacrifices, the Awakened King's Egg will appear in your inventory. Then, head to the Evolve portal to transform Griffith, which costs 15,000 gold. Griffith in his sacrifice form is a unique support unit with distinct abilities. His active skill initiates an eclipse, which paradoxically heals enemies and can eliminate your own units. Any of your units that survive this eclipse will receive a 20% damage boost. Furthermore, Griffith possesses passive abilities like repulsion and a slowing effect on enemies. He also deals 30% more damage to slowed enemies, with this bonus increasing to 50% if they are under a repulse lockout. To effectively utilize Griffith, strategic placement is key. Deploy him early in a match to maximize his support for your team. During his Eclipse ability, avoid placing your primary damage units nearby, as they could be eliminated. Griffith shines in multiplayer, where his Eclipse won't harm teammates' units. For solo play, other support units might be more suitable. Enhance his capabilities by equipping range-based traits like Marksman or Solar, and consider a familiar such as the Bird to further boost his range.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.